Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video on how to create this, but I used the clone tool. And I stated a couple of videos ago I'd never had set up a hotkey for the clone. So when you want to clone something, instead of going to edit and clone, we make a hotkey. To make any hotkey, you go to Windows, Tools, Options, Customization, Commands. Now, you can either type in clone, and in this case it works because it's right there, or if you don't really know the name of it, in clone you would, but you can go right to edit and clone, and it'll find the clone, and then just select it, and then click on shortcut keys, and then add a shortcut. We can't use the letter C because it's already being aligned for center horizontally, but the alternate key is right near the C, so we can go alternate C. Pretty easy to remember. Then just, when you put a sign, it puts it up there. And then just say okay, and then I would go to Tools, save as default, and the next time you're using it, it'll be there. So what the clone tool does, I'm going to alternate C, and then I'm going to hit the plus key and make a copy of it. I'm going to hit the plus key and make a copy of it. Plus key and make a copy of it. Then I can actually go Control D and make a bunch. So if we look, this is just a clone ellipse, but this one right here is there's our, I made a copy and put on top. There's our control ellipse. So no matter where these are on the screen, we can take that and I wonder what they look like red. I wonder what they look like, black. I wonder what they look like smaller. I wonder what they look like with nothing. And then change the outline. I'm right clicking. So you could do anything you want to your clone within reason. Rotating and stuff like that doesn't work. But if we take our clone and go to object and turn it into a curve, and then you can do stuff like that. And kind of, I always say, seeing what it's going to look like in real life. So there's a clone hotkey. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.